Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi sweet using an easy method. We'll explore simple techniques and key ingredients to transform your traditional kimchi into a wonderfully sweet and tangy delight. This approach is perfect for those who prefer a milder, more approachable flavor profile without compromising on authenticity. Get ready to create a batch of delicious, sweet kimchi in just a few straightforward steps. To achieve that perfect sweetness, we'll primarily use natural ingredients. Incorporating about 1/2 of a grated Asian pear introduces a refreshing, fruity sweetness. A 1/4 cup of finely minced sweet onion also adds a foundational, gentle sweetness that complements the other flavors. For an extra touch, consider adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice syrup or a pinch of granulated sugar to round out the sweet profile beautifully. The easy method involves integrating your chosen sweeteners directly into the kimchi paste. First, finely grate about 1/2 of an Asian pear and mince 1/4 cup of sweet onion. Mix these thoroughly with your gochugaru, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce. This ensures the sweetness is evenly distributed throughout the cabbage. Taste and adjust the sweetening agents as you go, aiming for a harmonious balance of sweet, spicy, and savory notes. Once your sweet kimchi is mixed, let it ferment at room temperature for about 1 to 3 days, depending on your desired tanginess. After fermentation, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it to slow down the process. This sweet kimchi is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it alongside grilled meats, in fried rice, or simply as a delightful snack. It's a fantastic way to introduce a milder, sweeter version of this classic dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.